Guys, you're speaking about Scott Aronson of West Hartford, who, in addition to working on the Florida plan, has also been a person who helped craft Yale New Haven Health's disaster response plan. This is Yale New Haven Hospital behind us here. And he says a decision to evacuate hospitals is not arrived at easily. A cornerstone of any healthcare facility's disaster evacuation plan must be patience, because it takes time.
We think of it as a couple hours. If I was evacuating Yale New Haven Hospital, that could be something you're talking about over the period of 18 to 24 hours.
And he says sometimes that time frame is pushed out to as many as 48 hours.
So know that all the emergency responders, their goal is to slow down an evacuation of a hospital unless the threat is internal, because you don't want to do things where you're moving patients and you're not prepared to handle them on the other side.
And evacuating patients in Florida is a gamble, he says.
We've seen it happen in many situations where in Florida, they've actually moved them, evacuated residents or patients to another hospital or nursing home, and then they get hit on the other side and their previous facility was okay.
Also okay, a Killingworth couple staying at their Fort Myers, Florida home when Ian roared ashore.
It was very, very scary. And then you hear roofs moving and metal and grinding and things falling, trees falling.
They were hunkered down on their horse farm about 14 miles from downtown Fort Myers.
For the most part, the roof on the main house stayed good. We lost some on the barns. That's all fixable.
And they say they'll stay close to their home because there is a curfew in place to discourage sightseeing.
We have a whole bunch of friends that are in Connecticut that want us to drive by their place and see how it performed.
Glad to see that Linda, Tim, and their beautiful horses are all doing well there in Fort Myers. Nice to have good news come out of there. As for Yale New Haven Health officials, they say that it's not possible for this facility to be evacuated under most major storm circumstances because this serves as a level 1 trauma center to which patients from other healthcare facilities are brought. We're live in New Haven. Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.